Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to link and unlink your Google Play account on UFC Mobile 2. To do this, open your game. Now go to your settings, link accounts, and press link. Now you can choose which account you want to link. I will choose this one. Now we need to wait till it actually loads. If it don't load for a long time, just close the app, like so, and open it again. And you should be logged in. Now to unlink your account, go to your settings, link accounts, and log out, and confirm. And that's how you do it. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, commenting, and liking this video.